Howdy, welcome to my protosome video project. So first, this is the introduction I chose for my organism. I chose planaria, and that's what they look like. Its common name is commonly known as a planaria, or flatworms, but its scientific name is called Tricladidia. Oh, yeah, Tricladidia. Here are some more pictures of what they look like. Its habitat, their common habitat is in freshwater, marine, and terrestrial ecosystems, mainly in freshwater and marine, but they have adapted to live in terrestrial land ecosystems. For food, they're carnivores, so they typically feed on small shrimp, water fleas, or even earthworms. What's cool about the earthworms is they can wrap themselves around them, and then they will secrete a mucus that dissolves them so that they can eat them. So I thought that was pretty cool. They also can't detect when they're like full, so they will literally eat themselves to death. Pretty cool. Like their stomachs will explode and well, they'll die. Predatory prey relationships. So they're primarily eaten by small carnivorous fish, such as guppies, assassin snails, and loaches. This is what an assassin snail looks like. Pretty cool. And well, they eat small invertebrates, so like earthworms. So that's an earthworm. Some uniquely evolved traits. They have regeneration abilities and have the title of immortal under the edge of a knife. So it's pretty cool. They can split in half and then they will regenerate to be two. So instead of one, they're two. Pretty cool. They also have terrestrial adaptations, so they went from being primarily freshwater marine to they can also live on land. Um, they have adaptive physiology, so they can scale their body to size. So basically, if there's like very little food available, they can shrink themselves to where they don't need as much. But if there's plenty, well, they can get really big, but they can also eat themselves to death. And here's a picture of like what their regeneration would look like. It's asexual too, so yeah, pretty cool. They are triploblastic, so this development can help with the development of complex tissues, specialized organs, and advanced mobility or motility. Um, yeah. Importance. So they're predators and scavengers. So this can help with population control. So they can control populations. They act as bioindicators of water quality. So if there's an abundant, like their presence or abundance, can indicate the water quality. So if there's a bunch of them, good water quality. If there's not a lot or none, bad water quality. Highly significant in scientific research, mainly for their regenerative abilities. Yeah, pretty cool. And here are my citations. Thank you.